Hello, Chemistry 1411 class. This is your instructor, Dr. Stephen Jones. I just wanted to get you acquainted with some of the key things that you should know about the laboratory portion of the 1411 chemistry class. The first thing is you need to do all of your labs in order to get the best grade possible. There's a very difficult chance of you passing with a B or A without completing all of your assignments. The only way that you can get the B or A out of the class if you do perfectly on everything else. So if you want the best that you can get from this class, you have to be able to do the labs and follow the directions that we're going to provide. This is on the early stages of developing the course, so you only see the laboratory portion under your control panel to the left of the screen. All you have to do to get to the laboratory portion of the course, just select Laboratory, and it takes you to these two folders. Within these folders, you will see things you need to know to be successful. These are just videos, two of possibly 3 or 4 videos that we will create uh, to help you in the class. And as you are in need of additional assistance, I will create a video to help work a problem, or we'll do FaceTime or Zoom to assist you with some of your class work. But however, in this particular case, this section will be complete with additional videos that will help you submit work on eCampus, how to use a scanning app. I prefer that you scan your documents into eCampus using a scanning app, because that app will create a PDF file. The PDF file is easier for me to handle, and it creates a picture that will allow me to see all of your work. It makes things a little bit more legible than a photo. And as I zoom in on that photo, sometimes the photo gets grainy instead of clear. So be certain to look at these 2 videos. Also, when I go back to the laboratory section, I have all of the components that I'm going to need to be able to complete the assignment. The first thing you should be able to note is that this is the URL for the chemistry kits for the lab. Selecting that particular link will take you straight to the Carolina Biological site where you can purchase your kit. The kits are $160.50. Here you just simply add to the cart and then pay for it as you will normally pay for anything that you're going to purchase from this site. So please get the kit as soon as possible, because you're going to have to hit the ground running. The first lab, so to speak, is a graphing lab. You will not need the kit for the graphing lab, but after that you will. So get the kit. It shouldn't take too much time to get to you. And then before you even start your labs, we encourage you to go and read the information within our safety program. By selecting that link, it takes you to information that is important for you to know as you work on your labs. So please read the safety program information. Also, there is a wonderful video that you can watch that will also assist you in taking the safety quiz. The safety quiz here is a multiple choice test that will take you over the safety questions that were also provided in the video, as well as within the safety information sheet. Take the time to read each of the questions and answer them appropriately. You must make a 70% on the safety quiz in order for you to continue on and do the labs. You can take the safety quiz as many times as you need to in order to get the 70% or higher. Also, what is important is the format of your labs. I will have a separate video that will address the formatting of your labs. It is a Word document in which you will have to open up and thoroughly review. If you do not review this document, I can guarantee that you will not make the maximum number of points that are associated with your lab. So please read this document. Also, there will be a video to follow that will address how to write up your laboratory report. So this is crucial in order that the bulk of your grade consists of the laboratory reports and then your laboratory final. Now, after you finish up your reading your laboratory report final, then you have your first lab, which is the Excel graphing assignment. Within the Excel graphing assignment, what you'll see is a document in which thoroughly goes through what you're supposed to do in graphing. First, using Excel, and then also you will have to go and do a graph using just graph paper or graph paper and pencil. Or some people say you are going to graph by hand instead of using a computer. So it goes step by step explaining what to do. This will be your first report. And yes, after you complete your graphs, you will have to describe what you have done within that graph. And I'll talk about that more in the formatting your laboratory report. All right, under here, when the time arrives, there will be a submission link in which you will use to submit your graphing assignment. Also, there will be a separate folder indicating the laboratory submission links will be contained in there along with your due date. How to do that will be contained in a video in which we would like for you to select as well. So at this point, you do not have your submission links, but you will see those within the submission, how to submit an assignment video, and it goes through how to do that component of the lab. And then you have your laboratory final. Your laboratory final will be due sometimes during finals week. I believe it will open on May 10th and maybe close on May 13th. But here, this is everything that you will need to do all of your labs. And we'll have videos on the different parts of the laboratory submissions, the laboratory report, and if there's any other need that you'll have relating to your lab, we'll create a video, as we said before, and put it up on eConnect so that you'll have a better understanding of what to do in your labs. Have a great day.